All right, let's start with IELTS Speaking Part 2. And your topic is describe something that helps you concentrate. Helps is present simple tense.
जी
So your answer is going to be all present. Okay, please
जी
start.
Life has become very fast. We have to a lot of activities in a short time. Due to this, sometimes we cannot pay attention properly. So for this, I try to make some different activities that will be very helpful to um, concentrate as well. I do yoga, walk, and sometimes I take a nap at afternoon. Normally, I do yoga and walk in early morning. I take a nap at afternoon sometimes. I judge this by myself. Whenever I feel sometimes stress, so I start to walk at lawn in my home and yoga. So I feel relaxed, comfortable, and energetic. So all these activities will be very helpful for me. For all these reasons, I do these activities.
All right, 53 seconds only. So try to speak more. Okay?
Okay.
Overall, it is fine. You have to speak for minimum 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes.
Yes.
So try to express yourself more. Overall, it is fine. Focus your pronunciation also. Whenever you
Okay.
do IELTS listening, try to copy their accent,
Okay.
and connectivity of sentences will further improve your pen score.
Okay.
Now, let's go on. Why do some people drink coffee to improve their concentration?
I think mostly people, when they are fed up, so they take coffee and other things. They help me make fresh and energetic. So they may be helpful to concentrate. That's why they like to take a coffee or tea.
All right. Do you feel more active in the morning or at night?
I feel more active in the morning. So because I take a good sleep at night time. So I think that's why I feel more relaxed and comfortable in the morning as
Okay.
compared to evening.
Very
But
good.
sorry.
Yeah, but in
But in evening, because I have a lot of activities during the daytime, so it's difficult for me to very
good.
energetic.
Overall, your answers are very good. Just you need practice, fluency, and a little bit improvement in your pronunciation. Otherwise,
Yes.
you're speaking very clearly,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
And be familiar with all these topics.
Ji, sir.
Inshallah, you will get very good pen
Yes, sir.
score, right?
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.